Have you ever wanted to live close enough to work, but just far enough away to feel like you're on a permanent vacation? Welcome to Scotts Valley. Today, we're showcasing Scotts Valley Town Center, located at 237 Bluebonnet Lane. And behind me is an end unit, number 206, and I can't wait to show you what's behind the door. Boasting over 2,300 square feet, this rare 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath end unit offers incredible views. Beautiful finishes like engineered floors throughout the home, a large island with granite countertops, ample storage available on each level. And an attached 2-car garage. Perfectly situated in the heart of Scotts Valley, this townhome lives within minutes of Scotts Valley's most visited hotspots and conveniences. You too can enjoy what Scotts Valley has to offer. Come on by. I look forward to seeing you. Thanks for watching.